Hi, my name is Raji. I'm an MPhil scholar from Kanji Mamnivar Government Institute for Postgraduate Studies and Research in Puducherry. I came to know about Tipster Academy through one of my professors during this lockdown period. And since I was preparing for NET and JRF, I joined their crash course. Their lectures are very engaging. They with along with PPT presentations, and they give us daily assignments which help us do a background study from our part, and it becomes like an extra revision too. They also conduct daily quizzes which help us evaluate where we stand every day and improve gradually. They also give us quick notes of the days, like of the lectures, and snippets of the entire course, which becomes very easy to remember during a last minute test before the exams. Personally, I had a very good experience with Tipster Academy because their constant motivation and support really helped me, and I thank them from my heart. I would also recommend it to all of my friends. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sandhya. I'm student of Tipster Academy. Now I share my experience in the courses of Tipster Academy. I know it through my friend only, and this time I want to thank my Tipster and also a Tipster Academy too. Because before attending this crash course, I never known about details of NET exam, but now I have some knowledge about it. This is possible because of my Tipster, and I also mention here the hard work and teaching method of my tipster. They done good job while taking classes and giving notes too. They conducted many quizzes and mock tests to make us acquainted with the syllabus. More importantly, after finished this class, my tipster gives more advice and taking care of our examination. It was so excellent and useful to us. I think others miss this chance to grab the net. Those who are net attend this crash course. And finally, I was very very thankful to Tipster Academy, and it was helpful to all the students who are attend the Tipster class. Thank you.
Hello, I want to share my experience with Tipster Academy, which is really great and fruitful. One thing which I really like about this academy was their mock tests, assignments, and quizzes on daily basis, which really help you to keep things in mind, which was really useful. And because of that, things are constant in your mind that will help you to revise, and remember it for lasts. So thank you.
Hello, this is Kaushika from Chennai, and I took part in the British Literature Lecture Series conducted by Tipster Academy. I took part in the first series of lecture, the Old English period. So the session was very useful and informative for me. I was able to witness the hard work which was put forth by Madhubal and a friend. I would like to congratulate them for that. The assignment specifically was very useful for me personally, because I believe that whatever institution we may go for preparing our exams, self learning is a must. So the assignments were fully based on self learning. And nextly, the quick notes was very well organized by the academy, and it helped me to it was like a reminder for me before I attended my mock test, which was conducted by Tipster Academy. So on the whole, the session was very informative, useful, and organized. I would like to congratulate Madhubala and a friend, and all the best. to Tipster Academy.
Hello, this is Anusha Srikanth from Madras Christian College. I'm a student of BA Literature, and I had taken a course with Tipster on literary theory and criticism earlier this year. It was very helpful. The team were very supportive, and it was great fun learning both the conceptual understanding of the topics as well as uh, dealing with them from the examination point of view, considering they are very vast topics as such. And the frequent assignments, the questions in between the presentation, and the interaction in general really helped enhance the course a lot more. It made it a lot more useful and accessible.
So I've attended Tipster's classes on literary criticism and theory, and I found these classes to be precisely structured. And we had a clear idea on what we will be learning each day. They provided us with a very concise and brief notes. These quick notes are extremely useful when you're doing your revisions rather than going through your mountain of your notes. These quick notes are the game changer for everyone who's aspiring to clear net or set or any exam under English literature. Tipster will be your right guide. I hope you all will contact them and try to attain more knowledge in English literature.
Hello, I am Vandana Mishra. I am going to share my feedback about Tipster series and Madhubala Madam. Tipster series, which was meticulously and strategically done, timely uh, done, was very helpful, and it is not only helpful for uh, like aspirants completing next set or whatever you say. It is beneficial for students also, so it will enhance their knowledge. So I think knowledge can be started early, as early it is started, more beneficial it will be for further pursuits. Like if you want to do competitive exams, you can get benefits, optimum benefits you will get from it. So that's what I will not limit this platform to only competitive exams and aspirants, but anybody whoever is wishing to take knowledge and start the preparation early, they can also go for it. So it has been always helpful. And Madhubala madam is very supportive. She has extended her helping hand towards all the students, and she is very supportive in like timing. If there is some problem, like flexible, it's she is not very rigid, and ready to help, and such a hardworking teacher she is. I really appreciate her efforts and time taken to prepare and distribute all the material for students, that I have liked it so much, so meticulously done by her. So I wish her all the best. And I also want to say that she is the best. Thank you, ma'am.
Hi, I am Melina. I have attended the literary theory, criticism classes, and research aptitude classes conducted by Tipster. And I found that both these classes were highly useful. And we have two great experts here, Swati ma'am and Madhu ma'am, who are willing to clear our doubts and who are highly dedicated to their profession. And the criticism and literary theory, they have explained all the concepts in a simplified manner. These were highly useful. because as a literature student, everyone knows that both literary theory and criticism, they were much difficult to study, to comprehend. And Swati ma'am and Madhu ma'am explained this literary theory and criticism in a simplified manner with examples from contemporary life situations and scenario. And all this helps to retain the concept and to understand literary theory and criticism in a much better way. Moreover, the notes, method of presentation of these notes, the mock tests, the PPTs, everything were highly useful. And thank you.